Hello cute children, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a makeup kit for you. This is the gift from my side to the girls, to the little girls. So please watch full video to have fun. So let's get started. For this purpose I will draw a rectangular shape here aside, because here I have to make a accessory like lipstick, all the things. So I will start from here aside of the paper. So I will draw a straight line. You can try it straight, but it's not, no problem. So, and now it's here. The important thing, we have to make a round corner. So I will leave this place. So I will fill it with the, like, okay, no problem. Okay, make it, and now it's going. Okay, so I have to go straight. Try it straight, if not, no problem. We are just for having fun, always I say. So now I have to meet these 2 points as well, but with the round. Okay, okay, maybe I can round. Yeah, of course. Yuppie! So now it's the, we have to do partition of these 2 points. So yuppie! So now I make a round for six colors, equal 4 colors. 6 round shapes for 6 colors. 1, 2. I make it quickly. So amazing. So now we have to draw a rectangular inside as well with the box shape. Okay, and the straight and come down, and here as well. So amazing. So now what we will do, always smiley face. So I will draw a circle. This is the for eyes. Okay, so I will draw inside one, and I will fill it the remaining. So amazing. So now I will draw a face, smiley face. So I have to meet these points and draw. Okay, so laughing face is ready. So what's more I have to draw a brush. Okay, I will draw brush here. Okay, so for brush, you know, it's look like that. Okay, okay, you have to draw a rectangular for holding. This is the for holding the brush and make it round. It looks cute. Okay, so now it's for brush for eyes. So I will draw a line straight, box here. Okay, so for this is the olive, like it's for eyes. The girls knows very well it. Okay, amazing. So it's little bit not looking good, but no problem. It's, we are just having for fun. We are just making a drawing. So now I will draw a lipstick here. First of all, we have to draw a rectangular. Okay, and we have to draw a little bit big, rectangular for the basement of your lipstick. Okay, amazing. So now I will draw a lipstick. Okay, straight line. Okay, one big and one small, and I will draw a okay, amazing, it's look like amazing. So our drawing is ready. This is the lipstick, brush for eyes, this is the eyeshadow. I have to fill the color, and it's on your choice as well. You can fill your color your own choice. I will fill different colors, so if you look like it's beautiful, then you can fill that I will fill. So I will meet you after color. So cute childrens, I have drawn these colors. I have choose pink, blue, whatever, yellow, but it depends on your own choice. You can choose your own what your favorite colors. And please subscribe my channel and watch always full video to have fun. So be careful until the next video, and we meet in next video. Take care, bye bye.